this video will be for this viral Gatorade. Let's go.
Buti malipis ang balat, ano?
Daddy, can you help me open this?
Ito lang, baby. May pinapagawa lang sa nanay. Ha?
Matalim yan.
Tapusin ko lang to.
Ay, hindi mabukas. Akin na. Baka mabuksan ko. Ay, nako, no. I cannot. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na. Kasi iinit. Mawawala yung lamig.
Hindi dapat nga na talaga, hindi masyado malamig.
Ayun, kaya.
So people see that it's sour if you're not diet and it's sweet.
60 yun yan, 70.
Let's see if it's sweet.
Ano ka ni Net?
Hatching din na hatching na. May kutsilyo dyan maliit.
Okay na tanay.
Laki. Ako na natakot. Sabi ni Aling Rose, matamis daw eh. Sana nga. Patangkili dito.
I'm not only sick of a person to see it will be sweet.
Oh, natikmo mo na.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm going to try running around in a circle for 5 times and see if it's going to be sweet.
Ito ba gulasan yan? Niluto
Yeah.
pa lang naman. Napagpapaniwalaan.
Madami din lumahiwa.
Mali.
Daddy, it's sweet now. Daddy, it's sweet again.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's true.
sure.
Yeah. Told you, Dada.